Our fourth lesson in this topic is using partial quotients to divide. I feel that partial quotients are going to be a little tricky, so instead of doing partial quotients, we are simply going to just divide with the traditional method. During this topic, you're going to have a couple lessons that talk about just plain division. We're going to start with one today. Let's look at some examples. Our first one is 330 divided by 15. First step is to divide. Does 15 go into 3? The answer is no. Does 15 go into 33? Yes, it goes in twice. 2 times 15 is 30. Then you're going to subtract. 33 divided by 30 is 3. Bring down your 0, and you have 30. You're going to go back to the beginning of the process of dividing. 15 divided by 30 is 2. 2 times 15 is 30. Subtract. You have 0 remaining. Your answer then is simply 22. 780 divided by 39. 39 is not a number you may be very familiar with, so let's break it down a little bit. Does 39 go into 7? No. Does 39 go into 78? Yes. The question is, how many times? Well, 39 plus 39 is 78, so it goes in twice. 39 times 2 is 78. Subtract, and you have 0. Just because you have a 0 down there doesn't mean you're done. You still have a 0 to bring down. Okay? 39 goes into 0. 0 times 39 is 0. And subtract, and now you're done, only because there's nothing left to bring over or bring down. Your answer is 20, not 2. Let's look at another example. 700 divided by 50. 50 does not go into 7, but it goes into 70 one time. 1 times 50 is 50. Subtract, and you have 20. You have to bring down your 0 that's left, and you have now 50 going into 200. Think back to a couple lessons ago, and we know that 5 goes into 20 4 times. Okay? We can cross out our zeros and know that it's 4 times 50 is 200. When you subtract, you get 0. Your answer is 14. Look at a story problem. The cost of each plane ticket for the Baltazar family's summer vacation is $329. If there are 7 family members, what is the total cost of the plane tickets? This is a review from chapter or topic 3. We're multiplying. Each ticket is $329. There are 7 people that need tickets. So let's just multiply. 9 times 7 is 63. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 6 is 20. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 2 is 23. And there is nothing in the tens or hundreds place, so you are done. It is going to cost them $2,303 to fly. Your I-STEP practice question. Which expressions are equivalent to 28? Okay, there is no simple way to do this. You have to simply work them all out. 980 divided by 35. Does 35 go into 9? No. It goes into 98 twice, being 70. Subtract, and you have 8, 2, bring down your 0. 35 going into 280. Well, they say it has to equal 28, so let's try 35 times 8. We have 40. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 4 is 28. So, works out perfect. Subtract with 0. That one has to be correct. Let's try some more. Let me erase first. $480 divided by 16. All you need to do is do 48 divided by 16. 16 plus 16 is 32, plus 1 more is 3, so it goes in 3 times, equaling 48, subtracting 0. Okay, 30 doesn't work. Erase. Wrong thing. Erase. Go back to my pencil. 1,400 divided by 50. Break down the problem a little more simple. 50 does not go into 1. 50 does not go into 14. But 50 will go into 140. It goes into 140 2 times, equaling 100. Subtract and you get 40. Bring down your 0. But 50 goes into 400 8 times. 8 times 50 is 400. Subtract and you have 0. Your answer is 28, so that one works. Erase, erase. 625 divided by 25. Couple ways you can do this. You can think quarters. 28 quarters is not going to equal 625. Or you can count by 25s. You have 25, 50, 75, $1. Okay, then you could have $1.25, $1.50, $1.75, $2. There's 8 25s. Then you have 225, 250, 275, 300. 325, 350, 375, 400. 425, 450, 475, 500. 525, 550, 575, and 600, and your last one being 625. If you count, there are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 25. So 28 does not work. Erase. And one more to figure out. Thank you guys for hanging in there with me. It's a long problem. Last one to figure out. 1,680 divided by 60. 60 does not go into 1. It doesn't go into 16, but it will go into 168. 2 times being 120 when you multiply 60 times 2. Subtract, and you have 8, 4. Bring down your 0, and you have 480. 6 goes into 48. 8 times, your zeros cross each other out. Or you can think of 8 times 60 is 480. Subtract, and you have 0. So that one would work. Go ahead and find your assignment in the next box. Thank you.